In this video, we'll go over how to save your domain search TLD settings at Dynadot. This will display the TLDs you want to search at the top of all our searches, including Advanced Search and IDN Search. To get set up, first sign in to your Dynadot account. Select My Domains from the left side menu and click Domain Defaults in the drop-down. On the Search TLD settings page, you can set each TLD to either on, off, or default. On means that the TLD will be checked off on our advanced search page, while off means it won't be. Click on Save to save your changes. Please note that these settings will only be applied when you are logged in to your Dynadot account.